Let's learn Day Drinking. It's choreographed by Donna Manning. It is a 40 count, 4-wall improver level line dance with a tag on the end of wall 1. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about the tag, and then we're going to go through and do 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Day Drinking. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. You're going to take your right heel, you're going to place it forward. You're going to touch your right next to your left, point your right toe to the right side, and then step your right next to your left, taking weight onto your right foot. You're now going to take your left heel, place it forward, touch your left next to your right, point your left toe to the left side, and then touch your left next to your right, keeping weight on your right foot. So let's try that with some counts, doing your heel forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2, we're going to do a grapevine quarter turn with a hitch. So we're going to step our left foot to the left side, cross your right behind your left. Make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot to face 9 o'clock, and then hitch your right knee up. We're now going to do a grapevine quarter turn into a half flick. So you're going to step your right foot to the right side, cross your left behind your right, make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping forward with your right foot to face 12 o'clock. We're now going to turn over our right shoulder on the ball of our right foot. You're going to turn a half turn. As you turn, you're going to flick your left foot back to face 6 o'clock. So let's try that with some counts. We just touched our left next to our right. You're going to do your grapevine quarter turn with a hitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, we're going to do quick steps forward. So we're going to step forward, left, left, and then you're going to hitch your right knee up. We're now going to do quick steps forward, stepping right, right, and you're going to brush the ball of your left foot forward. So let's try that with some counts. We would have just come out of our half with our flick back. You're going to do your quick steps forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4, we're going to rock forward onto our left foot, recover back onto your right, and then you're going to make a half turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot to face 12 o'clock, and you're going to hold. We're now going to rock forward with our right foot, recover back onto our left. You're going to make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping your right foot to the right side, and then step your left foot in place. You will be about shoulder width apart at this point. This side and then recover is going to feel like a side rock recover. So feel free to kind of make that motion where you're pushing and then recovering onto your left foot. You want to make sure that your feet are kind of staying shoulder width apart. So let's try that with some counts. We would have just brushed our left foot forward. You're going to do your rock, recover, half hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Weight is on your left foot. Section 5 in our final section of the dance. We're going to do full count sailor steps with holds. So we're going to cross our right behind our left, step your left foot to the left side, step your right foot to the right side, and hold. You're now going to cross your left behind your right, step your right foot out to the right side, step your left foot out to the left side, and hold. And then you'll either go into our tag at the end of wall 1, or you will start the dance over again with your heels. So let's try that with some counts. We would have just put our weight onto our left foot. You're facing 3 o'clock. You're going to do your full count sailors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. Weight is on your left. You're starting with your heel forward. Heel, touch, point, step, heel, touch, point, touch. Grapevine quarter turn with a hitch. Grapevine quarter turn, half flick. Run, 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 hitch. Run, 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 brush, rock, recover, half, hold, rock, recover, quarter side. Now your sailor step, sailor step. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left. You're doing your heel forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's talk about the tag. The tag's nice and easy. It's just repeating the last 8 counts of the dance again. So when we finish our 40 counts, we just did our sailor hold, sailor hold. You're just gonna repeat your sailor holds again, remaining at 3 o'clock doing your sailor hold, and that is your tag that will happen on the end of wall 1. Same counts as it would on the end of your 40 counts will be the same counts that you do for your tag. So it's 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. And that is your only tag in the whole dance. Now there's no ending listed on the step sheet. It does end facing the side wall. What I like to do is when I finish my sailor step, I like to kind of like sit and just kind of look towards 12 o'clock. So I can end facing 12 o'clock, but you don't really have to worry about it. You can just do your sailor step and end facing the side wall. So now let's go around. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, I'm going to do counts. We're going to do 4 walls of the dance so that you can practice the transition from the tag into the next wall and just kind of get an idea of how the dance flows. Weight is on your left foot. We're starting with our heel forward. So it's heel, touch, point, step, heel, touch, point, touch, grapevine, quarter, turn, hitch, grapevine, quarter, turn, half flick, run, 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 hitch, run, 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 brush, rock, recover, half, hold, rock, recover, quarter, recover, sailor, step, hold, sailor, step, hold, do your tag, sailor, step, hold, sailor, step, hold, do your heel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Heel, touch, point, step, heel, touch, point, touch. Grapevine, quarter, turn, hitch. Grapevine, quarter, turn, half flick. Step, 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 hitch, step, 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 brush, rock, recover, half, hold, rock, recover, quarter, recover, sailor, step, hold, sailor, step, hold, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so you can practice as much as you would like so that you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn day drinking. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.